So let's do this over once more. Now, there was an explosion in Baltimore this morning, August 10th, Monday. And already people are starting to have little conspiracies about it. As you can see here, gas explosion quotations, only days after Beirut. Down the rabbit hole I go. I wouldn't go down a rabbit hole on this. It doesn't make sense. If it's a gas explosion, it's a gas explosion. The trees outside the building don't seem like they were pushed back by significant force. But let's get into this video. I stated it was gas. Don't waste your time going down a rabbit hole. Why waste your time going down a rabbit hole for this? Like for this? Like, come on. So you see installation wood blew over from that building in the middle to where they're standing across the street. 5, 10, 15, maybe 30, 40 feet. People standing around. This is when the police and medic are arriving, or firefighters. They go pops getting out of the scene. So fire trucks arrive, and yeah. And you can see that part of that building is detached. You can see part of that building still attached. You can see it's been etch-a-sketch out. Just been erased. And that whole middle part has been erased by what they say is a gas explosion. So, what else would it be besides a gas explosion and some old buildings? Those are old buildings. There's no fire, so gas explosion, right? But one passed away so far, a few others injured. I'm pretty sure something like that would throw you off your couch. It just took out that whole wall of buildings. I got a little bit of fire that may be coming from the gas line. But that's what it did to the windows. This is what it did to the windows. Pushed it in. But wasn't too bad. Wasn't really bad. But yeah, a gas explosion can just destroy sets of buildings like that, brick buildings. But he's telling everybody to move, the firefighters. So he's telling everybody to get out their house because there's gas in the area, and that's not healthy. Also, the rest of those buildings, some way, somehow, could go up, just like that one. So that whole area is going to be evacuated for maybe some weeks. Oh yeah, they're getting sued. That apartment complex is getting sued. Yeah. Yeah, they gotta tell people get out and everything. Hey, my man, y'all gotta take this hurry. Oh, all right, then tell you hurry. Maybe some weeks. It seemed like it'd be some weeks before they let people back in there. Okay, but don't connect Beirut with this. I just don't know. No, like every explosion, just because it happened around the same time doesn't mean it's connected. Like it's a gas explosion. A gas explosion is going to happen. Some people say, well, it doesn't seem coincidence. I mean, it's an explosion. It's a not even a fire, but explosion. All right, let's see. I'm gonna check for some more comments. Okay, so that should core or keep down people's suspicion that it was Illuminati or it was planned. Like this is a dumb rabbit hole to go down. It exploded. Don't try to connect this, that, and the third. Don't waste your time. Let's not waste your time on it. So this same thing happened in my town last year. It was the fault of the gas company improperly installing new gas lines. That caused the house to explode. Luckily, no one was killed. So all you conspiracy people looking for something to go down a hole with, just come back out that hole. There's nothing here. Ain't nothing here. Two adults in an explosion at what's this?
We're learning more about reports of an explosion in northwest Baltimore near the Reisterstown Road Plaza. According to the Citizen app, 3 homes collapsed and 3 people were rescued, with more trapped inside right now. Emergency crews are in the area. Eyewitnesses tell WJZ they heard a large boom and felt the ground shake. Now, this is a developing situation. We're going to continue to update you on the air and online throughout the day. Katie Johnson.